Hey, this is Tanisha, and this week we are taking a break on the abstract challenge, and I'm doing a sketchbook tour. It's really not a complete sketchbook tour. It's going through some different sketchbooks that I have. I haven't completed them, but I just thought it might be nice just to look at these. Now this one is just one where I was doing some testing with some paint. I really wasn't looking to create anything with that one, but once it was scanned in, it looked really well. This is another one where I'm just testing some colors. It really isn't, I really wasn't completing it, just playing around, so that was fun. Here I go testing some of the Nova Paint colors. Those are colors that I just got in at that point because I hadn't initially had some of these colors early on. Some of the blacks I did have, at least one of them. This is another one where I did the challenge where I was using only one color plus black and white. This is what I end up coming up with. So that was fun playing around with that. This is one of my favorites. I kind of like it. I don't know why, but I love the dark background with the high contrast of the white kind of, I want to say vanilla, but beigey type tone. I really like this one. This one I really did not like at all. But again, just playing around with colors, it wasn't my favorite. But, you know, everything isn't going to be our favorites. And this is one where I just was playing around again. I really didn't do anything with it. Just playing with colors. And then, let's see, again, playing with colors. So I didn't have any really special ideas or anything. This is me just taking out paint, playing around. Of course, sometimes I like to do color studies in here, although I have started a book now just focused on color, but I was doing some different things in this book. So here's one of my favorite collages that I've done. When I initially started early on, I had made this collage. I love it. I don't know what it is about it, but I love it, and I decided to make this one an art print, which came out really, really well. The plastic that you see there is to try to keep all the pages from sticking together, and it works well, but when you're trying to look through the book, it doesn't work that well, so it's a little bit annoying. I should have taken the time to cut it down. Now these collages, I think I was trying to do simple on the left. Now on the right, I don't know what was going on. It just didn't work out, but I will say I started with just doing anything, just allowing myself to do anything, which is what this was. I think here I was trying to use just two colors and some writing. I don't really like that collage either. It was fun playing around. And so here we're going to look at some more color swatching and mixing, which is always fun because you get to discover new colors. And then here is me again swatching colors and playing around. The picture on the left was really just me playing around with the colors, not really trying to make any art. But it didn't look too bad. More color swatching. And I kept going. It's fun playing around. I think that's what sketchbooks are for. It's not about perfection. So here I go playing around with the sketchbook, with the abstract paintings again, using some of the colors that I swatched. And here's another one. I don't like that brown that was going in there, so I was playing with stamps too. So that was fun, and a lot of writing in the background. Now this is one of my favorite abstract pieces that I've made in art print. I love it. It's just a lot of people like that one. So, and then here's another one. I kind of like it. I didn't do anything else with it. I kind of just stopped where I was, but the mix of colors was really interesting. I need to do something more with that. Here, I was playing around with some different mixed media here, so it was more than just paint. Same thing here, more than just paint. That just looks crazy to me. And here's one I never finished. I wish I would have finished it, but I was having fun with gray. For some reason, I was just feeling a pull to try gray. Oh, here's another one of my favorites. I love it. I'm thinking about making this into an art print. There's one part of it that I don't like. I don't like one color that I use in here, but otherwise I love this. It looks really, really good. And this one I started but never finished. So fun with sketchbooks. I hope you have fun in your sketchbooks like this. Sometimes I just don't finish it, but just have fun playing around. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about the sketchbook or anything, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share the video with other people you might like it. So thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video.